Hello, everyone. My name is Joelle. Welcome to day 8 of our 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge, which today will focus on our upper arms. So sitting with a nice straight spine, eyes closed, hands to prayer, starting to answer the question of how you're feeling today as you begin to take some nice deep breaths in and out through the nose. And you can blink the eyes open. We'll come to a tall kneeling position to start out. Inhale the right arm up towards the sky and take 3 big circles towards the back. And then take 3 big circles to the front. And release that right arm. We'll try the left. So taking it back, 2 and 3, and then front, 1, 2, and 3. And release. Now raising both arms up, we'll take 1 forwards and 1 back. 1, 2, 3. And the other way. 1, 2, and 3. A little yoga for the brain while we're at it today. And release both arms. Nicely done. Roll the shoulders back. And we'll come onto our right side now, resting on the right forearm. And then inhale to squeeze the legs together and lift the hips off the mat. And you might keep the left fingertips down or reach that left hand up towards the sky. Forearm plank here, keeping everything tightly squeezed, the abs, the legs, the glutes. And exhale to softly lower down. And we'll just enjoy this side sphinx now. So you might close the eyes again. Just feeling into the stretch, probably feeling this through the side body, maybe into the hip a little bit as well. And we'll turn onto our stomach, slide the right arm underneath you with the palm up as you reach the left hand forwards. So this is our half shoelace pose. We did the full shoelace pose as a shoulder stretch on day 5. And this is another nice variation for us today. So always breathing into wherever you feel the stretch. And let's come up. And we'll slide the left arm underneath us now towards the right, palm facing up. And right hand extending out in front of you along the floor. As always, noticing any variations from side to side. And we'll raise up now onto our left forearm, so you can simply flip over to the other side. Coming into that forearm plank by raising the hips towards the sky, squeezing everything tightly together, maybe lifting that right hand up. Reach, reach, reach. And exhale to set the hips gently down, finding that side sphinx here for a few deep breaths. Pressing up out of that left shoulder. And noticing wherever this posture may bring sensation in the body. Wonderful. Let's press our way back up through hands and knees. And we'll walk the hands forward just a palm print to come into a push-up position on our knees with the toes pointed behind us. And you're welcome to stay right there. You can join me for just 3 push-ups as we inhale to lower down and exhale, press the floor away. 2 more. Lower down, press back up, and last one. Lowering down. And exhale, pressing back up. Nicely done. Hold here for just 1 more breath. And then we can extend the legs. We'll make our way into a seated position with the hands planted behind us, fingers facing forwards, lifting the hips off the mat, and start taking some little triceps dips here. So going at your own pace, pointing the elbows straight back each time, don't let them wander out to the sides. You can inhale to lower and exhale to press back up. Just one or two more here. And then setting those hips back down, very nice. Coming through hands and knees, walking the hands forwards into our puppy pose. We know it by now. And again, if you'd like to intensify this time, you could bring the palms of the hands together, bend at the elbows, and maybe reach the thumbs towards the back of the neck. So if you've been practicing that warm-up from day 1 every day now for the past 8 days, hopefully your shoulders and triceps are starting to enjoy puppy pose a little bit more than you might have previously. And let's extend the arms again. We'll lift our way back up into a comfortable seat of your choice. Shake those arms out, they deserve it. Roll the shoulders back, closing the eyes. You can rest the hands on the knees or bring them to prayer in front of the chest. And with our final deep breaths together, noticing anything that's changed, anything that's come up for you. Congratulating yourself for another great practice. And I do hope you'll join me again tomorrow for day 9, where we'll keep working our way down the arm to focus on our elbows and hopefully have some fun while we're at it. Great job today. Thank you so much. And namaste.